Hello and welcome. It can feel pretty tedious to beat automatic bidding on eBay, but how do you beat those bidding on eBay? Hello everyone, welcome to How To Guy. In today's video, we're gonna see how we can beat the automatic bidding on eBay. Well, what I'm gonna tell you in this video is not a foolproof way of winning bids. Instead, these are just ways to increase your chance to win the auction in eBay. The first way is obviously to place bid with maximum amount and let eBay handle the increasing the bidding for the product. In order to do that, it's pretty simple. You just have to select the item that you want to place bid on and click on this place bid, and whatever you have budget for that product, you set it here and click on review bid, and after reviewing just click on that place bid on the prompt, and eBay will automatically increase the bid based on what other bids are placing the bid. The other method is to practice the last minute bidding. This will allow you to place the bid without letting the automatic bidders to react while or before the bid period runs out. Some other ways that you can take is viewing buy it now listings instead of auctions for similar products. That way you won't have to compete with other bidders for the product at the price of your preference. Similarly, you can also view other products in other auctions. They may have different bidders and hence a separate maximum range of the bid. Now you know how to beat automatic bidding on eBay. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. If you still have any questions, do leave them in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye-bye.